Here's a 1974 Chevy Nova. Very nice vehicle. I mean, it's one of those vehicles where they're not in the best condition, but for me, I like it, so. Yeah, we're just gonna give it a walk around of it real fast, and then maybe even start it up, I don't know. As you can tell, the gas tank is, like the gas filler is behind the license plate if I could get it. See? And as you can see, Nova. Very beautiful car. Yeah, this thing ain't in the best condition in the world, but it's good for what it is. Yeah, it runs. I mean, that's the good thing. And yeah. And we'll open the hood here. As you can see, it has a Chevy 350 right here. It has custom headers that some people installed a long time ago, and a brand new gas tank. So it's a very nice car for overall. And it does got the automatic, you know, like lifters for the hood. There we go. And we'll take a look inside now. It's a beautiful car. I like it. Actually, let's hop in it. Show you what it's all about. And as you can see, it got 66,000 miles on it. It does got air conditioning. I don't think it works though. There's your extra gauges. There's my favorite key ignition of all time. Very, very nice. And I'll go to the back and show you the new gas tank. And this is manual windows. It's not in the best condition, but it works. And the gas tank is under here. I don't know if you can see that. It looks newer. There's dual exhaust. Alrighty, now let's go fire her up. Alrighty guys, I got the key right here. Let's go fire this baby up. Give her a couple of pumps. Let's stick the key in here. Alrighty. Sweet! Yeah! Carbureted 350, baby! Make sure it doesn't stall out. Okay, I'll show the exhaust while it's running.
I'll get out of place over here.
Okay, cool. Cool.
Getting this thing in here. I hadn't finished cleaning it out yet.
It's okay.
Just don't.
I'm not.
Stomp on anything down there. I don't know what's down there.
I'm not. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is awesome. Thanks for the ride.
Yeah, I
this is
like it.
This is awesome. This thing is awesome. Oh yeah, this is awesome. I love this thing. This is so much fun. Well, thank you. Thanks again. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, want to make sure you don't hit the truck. That was the best drive ever that I've been in this thing.
What's that? That was the best ride?
Yeah, that was the best ride. I love the sound of this thing. I think that's it.
Yeah, I'll burn the middle grade gas on this. I mean, the gas is 89 octane.
Yeah.
That I'm using in here now.
That's cool.
It runs real good like that.
That's awesome.